Hey everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you struggling to come up with fresh and exciting video ideas for your YouTube channel? Don't worry, you're not alone. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, finding new video ideas can be challenging. But what if I told you there's a way to unlock an endless supply of video ideas that will keep your channel buzzing with creativity? Today, I'm going to share with you the ultimate guide on how to get unlimited video ideas. Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Audience feedback. First up, listen to your audience. Your viewers are a goldmine of ideas just waiting to be discovered. Check out the comments on your videos, social media, or even create polls and surveys. Ask your audience what they want to see next. Their responses can provide direct insights into what content they crave. Plus, involving your audience creates a stronger connection, making them more invested in your content. Tip 2. Trending topics. Keep an eye on trending topics. Staying on top of what's trending can help you tap into what's currently popular, giving your content more visibility. Use tools like Google Trends, Twitter, and even YouTube's trending section to spot hot topics. By jumping on trends, you can create timely content that's more likely to be discovered by new viewers. Tip 3. Keyword research. Next, let's talk about keyword research. Keywords are not just for SEO. They can spark new video ideas as well. Use tools like TubeBuddy, Vidicue, or Ahrefs to discover what people are searching for in your niche. These tools can help you find popular search terms and uncover content gaps that you can fill with your own unique twist. Tip 4. Competitor analysis. Check out what your competitors are doing. No, you're not copying them. You're gaining inspiration. Look at the type of videos they're producing and identify which ones are performing well. This can help you understand what works in your niche and how you can put your own spin on similar topics. Remember, it's all about making the content your own. Tip 5. Content repurposing. Repurpose your existing content. Take a look at your past videos and see if there are any topics that can be expanded upon, updated, or approached from a different angle. You might have a video that performed well a year ago. Why not create a part 2, an updated version, or a deep dive into a specific aspect of that topic? Tip 6. Inspiration from other platforms. Don't limit yourself to just YouTube. Explore other platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and even podcasts for inspiration. Sometimes the best ideas come from unexpected places. You might find a trend on TikTok or an Instagram reel that sparks an idea for a full-length YouTube video. Keep your creative radar on wherever you go. Tip 7. Mind mapping. Try mind mapping. This is a powerful brainstorming technique where you start with a central idea and branch out into related topics. Grab a pen and paper, or use digital tools like MindMeister, and let your creativity flow. You'll be surprised how one idea can lead to several others, giving you a whole tree of video possibilities. And there you have it, a treasure trove of strategies to unlock video ideas. Remember, creativity is like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it becomes. Keep experimenting, keep exploring, and soon, you'll never run out of content ideas again. If you found this video helpful, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks to grow your YouTube channel. And before you go, drop a comment below with your favorite tip or share your own strategy for generating video ideas. See you in the next one.